Within Google Display Network, targeting options are varied and provide you with lots of options to target users. Users can also use a selection of the different targeting options to fine-tune their campaign to reach their target audience. Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for watching this video. Here are the 6 targeting options available within the Google Display Network. Keyword targeting. Using keyword targeting, you can select some broad match keywords. Google will then automatically show your ads next to content that matches those keywords. Placement targeting. Placement targeting allows you to choose the placement or the domains that your ads appear on. If you know that, for example, you want your ad to show when your audience is reading content about the stock market, you can choose specific investment websites or the financial section of online newspapers. It doesn't mean that it will necessarily show up, as this will depend on your bids and your budget. Interest targeting. There are a number of predefined interest groups that Google has made available for targeting. This list is further grouped into in-market and affinity interest groups. The in-market groups are closer to the point of purchase. Audience targeting. To use this type of targeting, you will need to build up an audience in Google Ads or Analytics. Your audience will be made up of people that have visited your website and are known as a remarketing audience. This can be really useful as it allows you to target people who have already shown an interest in your brand. Topic targeting. Targeting by topic allows you to reach a selection of websites that fall into a certain category. This differs slightly from interest targeting, as it is based on the theme of the website rather than the interest of the audience. Demographic targeting. Finally, using demographic targeting, you can target age, gender, and/or parental status. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining in, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.